students, let we have to discuss today the topic about trigonometry. And did you know the meaning of trigonometry? Tri means three, agnano means angle, and metry means to be measured. Three angle should be measured, and the father of trigonometry is Hipparchus. Okay, then we should know the angles ratios of the trigonometry, because the angle ratios are all are the part of the trigonometry. Majorly have 6 ratios. Okay, coming to the first, sin theta, second cos theta, third tan theta, fourth one cot theta, fifth one sec theta, and finally cosec theta. And these all are came from Latin words. Okay, let us assume a right angle triangle. Triangle theta. Okay, you should mention this when you have drawn this triangle. Okay, then this is opposite side, and this is adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse. Okay, after that we should have some basic formulas. Sin theta equals to opposite by hypotenuse, means AP by AC, opposite by hypotenuse. And the cos theta equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse means BC by AC. And tan theta equals to opposite by adjacent, that equals to AB by BC. These are the three ratios, and these are the three sub ratios, because of cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta was depending upon these three ratios. Means cot theta is nothing but the inversely of tan theta, and sec theta equals to inverse of cos theta, and cosec equals to inverse of sin theta. Then coming to the cot theta equals to inverse of tan theta, so that we should write inversely of tan, that equals to adjacent by opposite, that equals to BC by AC. Coming to the sec theta, BC by AB. Okay, then sec theta, coming to the sec theta, it is inversely proportional to the cos theta, that equals to hypotenuse by adjacent, that equals to AC by BC. And coming to the finally cosec theta, that equals to, it is inversely proportional to the sin theta, so that we write hypotenuse by opposite, that equals to AC by AB. Coming to the formulas, okay, sin theta equals to 1 by cosec theta, cos theta equals to 1 by sec theta, tan theta equals to 1 by cot theta, or sin by cos. Okay, then these are the main, and the sub ratios, sub angle ratios are cot, sec cosec theta, and the cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta or cos by sin, and the sec theta is equals to 1 by cos theta, and cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. These are the inversions. The sin, cos, tan are the main ratios, and these are the sub ratios. These sub ratios are depending upon these three main ratios. And coming to the angles, we should 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. And these are the angles, and angles ratios are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. Okay, sin 0 equals to 0, sin 30 is equals to 1 by 2, and sin 45 equals to 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is equals to root 3 by 2, and sin 90 equals to 1. And coming to the cos, we should write left to right, as cos 0 equals to 1, cos 30 is equals to root 3 by 2, cos 45 is the same, 1 by root 2, and cos 60 degrees is equals to 1 by 2, and cos 90 is equals to 0. And coming to the tan theta is equals to, we know that tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta, right? So that tan is equals to sin by cos, right? Then 0 by 1 equals to 0 and 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 means 2 should be cancelled. So then 1 by root 3. After that 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 means 1, and root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 means 2 cancelled. Root 3 by 1, that equals to root 3. Then 1 by 0 means it is undefined. Cot theta is inverse of tan theta, so that cot that will be raised from left to right. Cot theta, then 1 by tan, cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. So 1 by 0 is undefined, so we write undefined. So we should write left from right. This is root 3, and this is 1 means 1, and 1 by root 3, and here 0. Coming to the sec theta, it is inverse of cos theta. So 1 by 1 is 1, and it is 1 by root 3 by 2, that equals to 2 by root 3, and this is 1 by root 2 equals to root 2, and 1 by 2 equals to 2, and 1 by 0 equals to undefined. Okay, coming to the cosec theta, it is inverse of 1 by sin theta, right? Cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta, that equals to 1 by 0 equals to undefined, and after that 1 by 2 equals to 2, and after that 1 by root 2 equals to root 2, and root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3 by 2 equals to 2 by root 3, and 1 by 1 equals to 1. These are the angles of trigonometric ratios. Is very easy. If you know that these values of sin theta, and automatically these have the cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta values will be easily we should understand. So these are the basic formulas. If you know these formulas, you should good in these angles. So easily you should understand these angles. So this is the basics of trigonometry. And all the best for all the students. Thank you and Jai Hind.